Hi there! We have seen some safety rules that must be followed on the road. Today, let's learn about some more rules. One of the rules is to never run behind a vehicle. Do you know why? Let's see an example. Did you see how Bob fell down and hurt himself? Let's look at another example. Bob was running behind a car. While doing so, he was hit by a scooter. Did you see how dangerous it is to run behind a vehicle? Never ever do that, okay? Hiding behind a vehicle is also very dangerous. Let me show you why. Did you see how Bob hurt himself? Let's look at another example. Bob hurt himself because he was hiding behind a vehicle. It is dangerous to hide behind vehicles. You might hurt yourself badly while doing so. Will you remember that? Another rule is to never try and get in or get out of a moving bus. Let us see what happens. Did you see how Bob hurt himself? Now look at another example. Oh dear! Bob had a bad fall while trying to get out of a moving bus. Trying to get in or get out of a moving bus is very dangerous. You can hurt yourself badly. So, you must never ever do that, okay? The next rule is to wear a seatbelt while traveling. Do you know why? Let's see an example. Did you see how Bob hurt himself while traveling? Now see another example. Bob hurt his forehead badly because he was not wearing a seat belt. You must always wear a seat belt while traveling. Else you might hurt yourself, just like Bob did. Yet another rule is to never stick your head or hand out of a moving vehicle. Come, let me show you why. Ouch! Did you see how Bob hurt his hand while sticking it out of a car? Let's look at another example. Ow! Here, did you see how Bob hurt his head while sticking it out of a bus? Sticking your head or hand out of a moving vehicle is very dangerous. you might get badly hurt. So, you must never ever do that, okay? The next rule is to never push anyone off a vehicle. Do you know why? Let's see an example. Did you see how Bob got hurt? Poor boy, he was pushed off the school van. Let's look at another example. Oh no! Bob had a very bad fall. That's because his friend pushed him off the bus. Pushing anyone off a vehicle can be dangerous as they can get badly hurt. You must never push anyone while they are getting in or getting out of a vehicle. Will you please remember this? Friends, will you remember all these safety rules that you must follow on the road? If you follow these rules, you will be safe. It's time for me to go home. Goodbye. See you soon.